Begin by gathering the necessary ingredients. You'll need a pound of spaghetti, 4 large egg yolks, a cup and a half of finely grated Parmesan cheese, 4 cloves of garlic, and a pound of boneless chicken breasts. Don't forget the essentials: salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil for cooking. First, set a large pot of salted water to boil. While waiting for the water to bubble, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, season with salt and pepper, and set aside. In a large skillet, heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. Once hot, add the chicken pieces and cook until golden brown. As the water starts to boil, add the spaghetti and cook until al dente, typically around 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, peel and mince the garlic. Remove the cooked chicken from the skillet, leaving the juices behind. Add the minced garlic and sauté until golden and fragrant. Now, for the sauce. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and grated Parmesan, adding a generous pinch of salt and pepper. The heat from the pasta will cook the egg yolks gently to create a creamy sauce. Drain the spaghetti, reserving a cup of the pasta water. Quickly toss the hot spaghetti into the egg yolk and cheese mixture. The heat from the spaghetti will cook the egg yolk and melt the cheese, creating a creamy, delicious sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a bit of the reserved pasta water to thin it out. Finally, add the cooked chicken and garlic back into the pasta, stirring well to combine. Make sure every strand of spaghetti is coated in the creamy, cheesy sauce, and every bite includes a piece of juicy chicken. To summarize, start by boiling the spaghetti and cooking the chicken. Next, sauté the garlic in the chicken juices. While the pasta cooks, prepare the sauce by whisking together egg yolks and Parmesan. Drain the pasta, reserving some water, and mix it with the sauce. Lastly, combine the chicken, garlic, and pasta. And there you have it! A silky, creamy pasta carbonara with chicken, ready to be devoured. This dish is a testament to the magic that can happen with simple ingredients and a little bit of time. So go forth and create this culinary masterpiece. Relish every bite, and remember, the best food is made with love.